Hey you and welcome to this video where I will help you out how to buy gold on JustMarkets. And right now we are using the MetaTrader 5 web trader. So that is what you will see right here. And first of all, what we need to do is we change the symbol for searching for gold. Just fill in gold. Then you have a lot of options for gold, but we like the US dollar. So we click on US dollar. And then right here, you will find the chart of gold and US dollar. So from here, what we need to do is we click here on new order and select here the volume that we want to buy or put in or trade. And then after that, we can also select a stop loss or a take profit if you want to. And then after that, you can click here on buy by market. And now we just bought some gold. So right now, if we're looking right here at the transaction list, you will find here our gold position. So this is how you can buy gold on JustMarkets. Hopefully this was the video where I was looking for. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day. Ciao.